Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video, we are doing a Hot Wheels case unboxing. This is the Amazon Black Box. This is actually the case F. I did have a previous video with case C, so for some reason the case D and F got delayed, but we actually got two of these here, so we're gonna go ahead, bust open both of these, and see what we get. Hopefully we get a super, maybe we'll get a regular treasure hunt, but let's go ahead and see. Let's set this aside. Before I get started, I will say there's going to be a link in the description down below so you guys can go on, hop on Amazon and get this Amazon exclusive black box. And they have a lot of upcoming ones, so if it's not available just yet, you can also hop on there and pre-order it. But let's go ahead, open this thing up, and go through them. Alrighty, let's go and bust this open. I'm going to pull these out two at a time. So we got the 2017 Camaro ZL1. And then we have a 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Ford Escort RS 2000. Honda Civic Custom. That actually looks pretty cool there in green. Ooh, this looks really cool. I haven't seen that yet. Classic TV series Batmobile. And it's in a really interesting color there. And then we also have a Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. That actually looks really cool. Kind of bring back that old school Porsche look. Alright, so I did not get the Super Treasure Hunt because this Renault Sports RS01 is actually the Super for Case F. So obviously I got the regular one. And then the 72 Corvette Stingray convertible. We have a Dodge Viper RT10 in yellow, and then the 70s van. A lot of people were interested in this before, and I think it looks pretty cool. Alright, so we have this Dragon Wagon, which looks pretty cool. Then we have the pretty much Liberty Walk silhouette Nissan Silvia S15, and this one is in all gold. This actually looks really cool. So we have this track manga, but we also have the treasure hunt for this case. So it's a donut drifter. You can see right there behind the car. It has a little treasure hunt logo as well as the text that says, pretty much, congratulations, the symbol means that you just found a collectible treasure hunt vehicle. And then usually there's it's kind of up on top. It's a little hard to see this little treasure hunt logo. But that's the treasure hunt for case F, so it's kind of cool that I was able to get that. And then the last two cars, we got this, I don't even know how to say the name of that. Yeah. And then a Subaru WRX STI. So this case was actually pretty awesome. There are a lot of cool new vehicles for this case F, which a lot of people are looking forward to. But let's go ahead and open up the second black box here and see if we can get the treasure hunt. But let's go ahead and bust this open. So, Camaro ZL1, Bentley Continental, Honda Civic Custom, got the Ford Escort, Porsche 911, Batmobile. This one, we did not get the treasure hunt on this one either. Got Stingray convertible, but then also the regular version of the Renault. I got the Dodge Viper and then the 70s van. Got another Dragon Wagon and the Liberty Walk S15. Alright, so this is actually an exact duplicate case. Got track manga, but then we also got another treasure hunt. So we got another one of those donut drifters. I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And then we got these two. And then the Subaru WRX STI. So, this case, there was no super treasure hunts, but we did get two regular treasure hunts out of both of these. There's a lot of cool new cars in this case, and I will be posting these onto Mercari, which is a cool website where you can buy and sell stuff. Now, if you use my link in the description down below, you guys have the opportunity to get $30 for free. Like, once you make your first purchase, you get like $10, and then once you sell stuff that accumulates up to $100, then you get $20 extra back on your account, which is pretty cool because you can go on, buy some Hot Wheels online, pretty much buy anything, and then get free money out of it. So definitely use my link in the description down below. Also, you guys can click on the link to go pick up one of these Amazon black boxes. This is an Amazon exclusive, and there are like upcoming cases that you can go on and pre-order. So as soon as they are available, they can automatically get shipped out to you. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. But as always, thank you for watching.